Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MSVCP110.dll and MSVCR110.dll missing error in your Windows easily. You need to search in Google for Visual C++ executable for Visual Studio 2012 on update 4 and search. And the first thing you need to download select both the one and download. You need to start both the files, whatever your version, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. After downloading, you need to install. Another way to fix this problem is to find for MSVCR or MSVCP. And download from here, and then after downloading you need to go to see Windows, you can download this file. And then unzip. You need to extract the file Windows System 32. After downloading, you need to extract the files in your desktop or whatever. Then copy this and place C Windows and System 32. Paste here. Similarly, you can place and initial this one and place it copy and paste. And paste the C Windows System 32 and